The Margao Fire Station, which oversees fire emergencies across a major part of Margao city, attended 131 calls in January and February. The fire and rescue team successfully saved property worth 51.16 lakhs rupees, while property worth 9.75 lakhs rupees was lost over the course of 2 months.
For this year and this 2 months, this is third month, I'll give the record of only 2 months. Okay, 2 months in January, we have received 65 calls. Okay, in this property lost is 5 lakhs 15,000 and property saved is 22 lakhs. In February, we have received 66 calls. In this, out of 66, 47 are fire calls and 19 are rescue calls. So property lost in this calls is 4 lakhs 60,000 and property saved is 29 lakhs 16,000.
Margao Station Fire Officer Herculano Gil Souza highlighted that fire awareness seminars, which teach people about fire hazards, prevention, and response, including how to use fire extinguishers and plan safe evacuations, are held at hotels as well as schools.
Program, awareness program. School तो चालू असता. School, every school. Then आमचे program असता hotels, industries, त्यांका program असता. So या program आमी कित करता? Hotel हे त्यांका special program ते. Basic fire safety शिकयता. Fire rules कशे लागता? Rules पावलोवपाक आमी कितें करूंक जाय? Prevention rules पेटना जावपाक आमी कित करूंक जाय? आनी precautionary measures कित घेवपाक जाय? आणि फायर फायटिंग कशें करतले तेका आमी सारकें डेमॉन्स्ट्रेशन करून दाखयता. कित्याक पोर्टेबल फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर व्हडल्या हॉटलां इंडस्ट्रीन तांकां सिस्टम आसता, फूल सिस्टम आसता फायराचो. सो तेंचे लागीं आसता तरी आसतना कितें तो यूज ना जाता बंद आसता. एक एक पाट तांकां ऑपरेट सडनली तेंगे स्टाफूय चेंज जाता आनी तांकां तेका लागून ते परतून आमी डेमॉन्स्ट्रेशन करता. तेंचे ऑपरेशन तांकां दाखयता तें गरज आसता. कितें एक बिल्डिंगे फूल सिस्टम हायडन सिस्टम जाल्यार इतलो लाख पयशे तेजे आसतात. So आमी येवचे पयलीं तें फूल कंट्रोल करूंक जाय.
Like, subscribe and get notified.